Have you ever wondered what happens if a police informant, or a source as they're often called, gets killed? Or what if the source themselves commits a crime? Is there a special law for them? Today, we're diving deep into the laws of Bangladesh to uncover the truth behind these critical questions. You might be surprised by what we find. Let's start with a very serious scenario. What happens if a police source is murdered? In Bangladesh, this isn't treated as just another murder case. It's seen as a direct attack on the state's ability to maintain law and order. According to the Penal Code of 1860, the primary law for criminal punishment, the person responsible will face trial under Section 302, which deals with murder. The maximum punishment for this is the death penalty or life imprisonment, along with a hefty fine. But it doesn't stop there. What if someone didn't directly commit the murder, but was part of the plan? Under Section 120B, which covers criminal conspiracy, anyone involved in plotting to kill a source can face the same severe punishment as the main culprit. The law is incredibly strict on this because attacking a source is seen as an attempt to obstruct justice, and silence, a key player in crime prevention. It's a challenge to the rule of law itself. Think about it. Police sources are helping the government fight crime, so any attack on them can also fall under Section 353 of the Penal Code. This section is used when someone assaults or uses criminal force to deter a public servant from their duty. Since sources assist public servants, the police, this law can also be applied to protect them. Now, you might be thinking, do sources get special protection like bodyguards? While there isn't a specific law that provides a source with 24/7 security, the system has built-in protections. A crucial one is confidentiality. According to the Evidence Act, police officers are not legally required to reveal the identity of their sources in court. This keeps their identity secret and protects them from retaliation. Furthermore, Article 31 of the Constitution of Bangladesh guarantees every citizen the right to the protection of the law. Disclosing a source's identity is considered a serious offense. If a police officer's negligence leads to a source's identity being leaked, and that source is harmed or killed as a result, that officer can face both departmental action and a criminal case. The system takes the safety of its information channels very seriously. What about financial support? If a source tragically loses their life while assisting the police, their family doesn't get left behind. The Ministry of Home Affairs has special funds to provide financial assistance or compensation to the family of the deceased source. It's a way the state acknowledges their sacrifice. When a source is murdered, the investigation is handled with extreme seriousness. Usually, the district police, the detective branch or DB, or even the Police Bureau of Investigation, also known as PBI, takes charge. These are elite units. And if the crime is particularly shocking or poses a threat to public safety, the government can fast-track the case by sending it to a fast trial tribunal. This ensures that justice is delivered swiftly, sending a clear message that such acts will not be tolerated. So, killing a police source is a grave crime with severe consequences, often leading to the maximum punishment under the law. But now let's flip the coin. What if the source is the one breaking the law? There's a common misconception that being a police informant gives you a free pass to commit crimes. Let me be clear. According to the laws of Bangladesh, this is absolutely false. In the eyes of the law, a source has no special status. They are treated as ordinary citizens. Article 27 of the Constitution states that all citizens are equal before the law and are entitled to equal protection. This means if a source is involved in theft, robbery, drug dealing, or any other crime, they will face the same legal process as anyone else. There are no special privileges or immunities. So, what can you do if you witness a police source committing a crime? Your first step is to go to the local police station and file a case, an FIR, against them. The police are obligated to register your complaint. If, for some reason, the police station refuses to take your case, you aren't out of options. You can file a complaint case, known as a CR case, directly with the court. The police have their own internal rules too. The Police Regulations of Bengal, or PRB, strictly prohibits any police officer from aiding or sheltering a source involved in criminal activities. If an officer is found protecting a criminal source, they will face departmental action. The police headquarters has a firm guideline. No one with a criminal background should be used as a source. Police are responsible for monitoring their informants, and if a source is caught committing a crime, the officer handling them is also held accountable. What if a source tries to frame an innocent person out of personal rivalry? This is a serious abuse of their position. If it's proven that a source gave false information to harass someone, the victim can file a case against that source under Section 211 of the Penal Code. The punishment includes imprisonment and a fine. Additionally, you can submit a written complaint against both the source and the police officer who supported them to a higher authority, like the Superintendent of Police or the DC office. Now, what about taking the law into your own hands? While it might be tempting, it's illegal. However, the Code of Criminal Procedure does give citizens some power. First, collect evidence. This could be audio recordings, videos, or eyewitness accounts. Second, if the local police don't help escalate the issue, the National Legal Aid Services Organization provides free legal advice. You can reach them by calling the National Helpline at 16,430. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more legal insights. Thanks for watching and stay informed.